Well, we're sure that no one will forget 2020 thanks to the pandemic crisis of COVID 19, which paused our lives. Now, talking about the South industry, we saw several announcements of biggies, but apart from them, stars like Rajinikanth, Vijay Sethupathi, Junior NTR, Pooja Hegde, and SS Rajamouli grabbed our attention for their projects and statements. So, let's check them in detail. Rajinikanth's adventurous episode with Bear Grylls. The megastar of Kollywood, who's known for delivering several blockbusters, made an appearance with Bear Grylls in Into the Wild. In the career span of 40 years, this was Rajinikanth's first television project ever. The actor shot the episode at Bandipur, Karnataka. Vijay Sethupathi quitting Muthaiya Muralitharan biopic. A few months back, popular Kollywood actor Vijay Sethupathi, who came on board to play Muthaiya Muralitharan in the legendary Spinners biopic, decided to quit the project after facing criticism from the audience on social media. The Vikram Vedha star shared the press release of 800 and captioned it, "Thank you and goodbye" in Tamil. While this decision may have cheered a particular group, it has disappointed the fans of Murli and VGS. Tribal community criticizing Junior NTR's skull cap in SS Rajamouli's RRR. The introductory promo of Junior NTR as Komaram Bheem in SS Rajamouli's RRR was lauded by fans and movie buffs. But the scene in which Junior NTR was wearing skull cap landed into controversy as the tribal community felt it was an insult to their hero. Komaram Bheem fought against the Nizam and his Razakar army. He took up arms against Nizam soldiers until his last breath. Why has Rajamouli shown Komaram Bheem wearing a Muslim skull cap? If he wants to make a movie, let him show the belly buttons of women. Why insult our God? If Rajamouli fails to remove such portrayal of Komaram Bheem, we will dig his grave, warned the Adivasis in a statement to Telugu 360. Pooja Hegde getting trolled for degrading South industry. Popular South and Bollywood actress Pooja Hegde was brutally trolled on social media when she admitted in an interview with Anupama Chopra that South cinema has an obsession with navels and midriffs. Sharing the details about her film Ala Vaikuntapura Mallu, Pooja added, "Yes, Allu Arjun's character is obsessed with my legs in the film, but after pointing it out to Trivikram about how it could come across as, he added scenes where she punishes him for being so blatant about it. But of course, objectification is never okay." Later shared a clarification note on her social media account, which reads, "Things I said in a recent interview are being misinterpreted. I always say I will never give in to misunderstandings, but I will still reinstate, I will forever be indebted to the Telugu film industry." Meera Mithun's abusive remarks against Thalaivar Rajinikanth and Thalapathy Vijay. The self-proclaimed supermodel Meera Mithun targeted Kollywood biggies on social media, including Rajinikanth, Surya, Thalapathy Vijay and Trisha Krishnan. In one of her tweets, she attacked the two megastars and wrote, "TN boycotted me. Thanks for the same. That's why I'm a supermodel now. Opened nationally, internationally. Also, Kollywood against me. That's why I'm in Bollywood and Hollywood. But what I don't understand is why is TN still behind my ass? Talking harassing about me is their only job."